Hi friends, we're having a Samsung phone repaired today. It won't turn on or charge. As the customer said, someone spilled alcohol on it. I also see the screen is cracked. Let's take the phone apart and find the cause. The main board seems to be intact, but the bottom board appears to be flooded. It's possible the display module of this phone could also be flooded. I'll measure the voltage at the battery output now. And if it's low, I'll charge the phone with a lab power supply and then try to turn it on. The battery voltage is 2.8 volts, which is too low. I'll charge the battery now and try to turn the phone on. It would be good if only the bottom board was damaged. As you can see, the phone started up, which is good. I didn't connect the lower board. So, the problem is somewhere on the lower board, and I'll be looking for it now. First, I'll need to clean the board and inspect it under a microscope for damage. Look at the pins. As you can see, the USB connector is damaged. It looks like I'll have to remove it from the board. You can try resoldering the contacts without removing it, but that's unlikely to help. The USB connector might need to be replaced. The contacts are under compound. To remove it, you need to heat it up and then use a sharp object to tweak it. You need to be careful not to damage the tracks. I'll try to repair this USB connector first. If that doesn't work, I'll remove it and look for a similar one. It's a pretty long process, so let me show you the finished result. I cleaned the contacts of compound, and as you can see, the two outer contacts are damaged, as is part of the track. The black carbon needs to be removed and then the pins soldered. I soldered at an angle, otherwise it would be impossible to access. But as you can see, the result is good. I also repaired the track. There's a lot of solder on that particular pin. Let's try putting it together and see if it works. It seems that didn't help. I plugged in the power cable and checked the contacts for voltage. But there was no voltage, indicating the USB is damaged internally. So the only solution is to replace the USB. Unfortunately, I don't have that kind of USB. It's a non-standard USB. I found the bottom board for sale and think it's easier to replace it, as the liquid may have also damaged the microphone or other components. Moreover, the board is inexpensive, so I think that would be the best solution. As you can see, the phone is now charging and working. I hope the video was helpful. Subscribe and see you in the next videos. Bye.